Let's make a miniature Polaroid camera. I shape a large piece of clay into kind of a rounded square shape. I make it a little bit thinner at the top. I press my clay blade into it to make an indent on one side. I use the end of a paintbrush to make the segment that I separated more round. I use the end of a paintbrush to make an indent inside the leveled off part. I roll a small ball out of clay, flatten it, and then put it on top of the camera next to the little dent. The same thing with a smaller ball of clay. And I put it on top of the other flattened circle. Take a small round piece of clay and put it at the top of the camera. I also add another small white piece of clay to the top. I press a small piece of clay in the corner for a button. I add another small dot to the side. I cut a small cavity out of the corner and use the dotting tool to make a small dot underneath. Take a piece of paperboard and shove it in the top to make a place for the paper. I add painted details to make a miniature Polaroid. But printed Polaroids can fit in the top and can be different colors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought. Bye! Alright, smile. Let me see,
What
Nat.
the?
Can I see?
Icicle? How did he get there?
Why am I not surprised?